Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to show you a nice way to earn money online easily by promoting a cashback website. And first of all, what I mean of cashback website and how it works. Cashback website is a website that contains a lot of stores and websites you want to shop from, like Amazon.com, Booking.com, H&M, and so on. Thus, if you make a purchase in a store through the cashback website, you will get back a percent of what you have paid, or a cash back. Thus, the importance of cashback website comes to save money. And for sure, it's better for customers to select the honest cashback website that provides attractive offers or attractive cash backs. So in this video, we will make money online by using one of the best cashback websites out there, that is topcashback.co.uk. And topcashback, as I said before, has a lot of different stores and websites like Booking.com, Calvin Klein, Michael Kors, NordVPN, The Protein Works, I Saw It First, and so on. Okay, and you will find here any store, any website in any field, as you see here in these niches: entertainment, leisures, insurance, financial, telecoms, utilities, and pets, and so on. Okay, and for your knowledge, there are two different branches of Top Cashback. This official website, the UK branch, topcashback.co.uk, and the USA branch, topcashback.com. Okay, as you see here. Okay, and Top Cashback has a lot of positive reviews on trustpilot.com. Okay, and it's written about 4.5 excellent grade. And personally, I have tried topcashback.com for some subscriptions on canva.com. Okay, as you see here, I made some subscriptions on canva.com by using topcashback.com, and I got my cashback as you see here. Okay, however, for our today's method to make money online from Topcashback, we will focus on this official website, topcashback.co.uk. Thus, after joining free topcashback.co.uk, go to this icon, okay, and go to this Tell a Friend, and it's referral program. Okay, and here we can motivate people to join free topcashback.co.uk by using this our referral link. Okay, as you see here. So if someone joined free Topcashback and made a purchase, you will get 25 sterling pounds, like a boss. Okay, and honestly, I have tried this referral program before, and I have made 13 pounds. Okay, and I withdrew them through PayPal. Okay, as you see here, Topcashback amount 30 sterling pounds. Okay, and honestly, and instead of promoting the entire website, the entire Topcashback by using this link, it's better for you to promote the stores with their attractive offers and make them as an entrance to this Topcashback. Okay, for example, if we want to promote canva.com, and we all know canva.com, where you can make professional posts on social media, designs for print on demand business, and so on. Just we can write here Canva. Okay, as you see here, Canva. We can motivate people to subscribe on Canva by using topcashback.co.uk. As you see here, you can promote Canva subscriptions by using this attractive offer, 120% cash back. Okay, so if someone subscribed Canva Pro monthly by using your link, 120% cashback, and you will get 25 sterling pounds. Okay, so as you see here, you can share this store, this attractive offer, for Facebook, Twitter, or sending emails. Okay, and here is a good question comes up: how to promote canva.com with its irresistible cashback offer, or any store, whatever it is, on different social media like Pinterest, Instagram, and so on. You can do it easily. Go to this tweet offer, okay, to promote this store with this attractive offer. Just go to this tweet offer. Super easy. And here we can grab this link, okay, as you see here. Perfect. Copy this link, and here we can promote this link on different social media like Pinterest, Instagram, Quora, and so on. For example, we can do it in here on Pinterest, and here we can promote our canva.com, our cashback offer. Okay, perfect. So we can try this link in incognito. For example, paste. Perfect. Thus, you will find this landing page. You have been referred by Raymond22 Tell a Friend link. So if any customer want to get this awesome Canvas cashback, he has to join free topcashback.co.uk here and make a purchase or a Canva subscription. Therefore, he will get his 120% cashback, and you will get your 25 sterling pounds like a boss. And believe me, if you are focused on this way, you will get a lot of money, because people always love to save money while shopping online. So keep in your mind this way and promote topcashback.co.uk and its stores, and you will thank me later. And finally, I will give you an extra beautiful bonus to get more money from Top Cashback, that you can work as an affiliate of topcashback.com. And topcashback.com, the United States branch, has an affiliate program on flexoffers.com. And if you don't know what is Flex Offers? Flex Offers is a huge affiliate network that contains over 10,000 affiliate programs, including topcashback.com. And your commission will be $12 per lead. Okay, so you can promote topcashback.com on social media like Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Quora, and so on. And you will get paid $12 per lead. And actually, this commission increased from $1.60 to $12. As you see here, my last commission of Top Cashback on Flex Offers was $1.60, okay? And now this commission is $12. So please, you can take a benefit of this commission and this affiliate program of Top Cashback to get more money from Top Cashback. And now we reach the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. To make money online by promoting Top Cashback. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.